Hello and welcome to Recipe Chapter. Today, we're making a fiery, flavor-packed, spicy harissa shrimp with couscous in under 20 minutes.
Looking for a bold, healthy dinner that tastes exotic, but is incredibly fast? This North African-inspired dish is your answer. List of all ingredients. You only need these 5 core ingredients for a big, bold meal: shrimp, harissa, garlic, couscous, and olive oil. Start with 400 grams of high-protein shrimp, peeled and deveined. 2 tablespoons of harissa paste bring the smoky, bold North African heat. You will need 2 cloves of finely minced garlic. Measure out 1 cup of instant couscous, which is perfect for fast weeknight meals. And finally, 2 tablespoons of olive oil for cooking. First, prep the couscous. Add a pinch of salt, pour over 1 cup of boiling water, and cover immediately. Place your black cast iron skillet on medium heat. Add the tablespoon of olive oil to the hot pan. Add the 400 grams of shrimp to the hot pan. Season the shrimp lightly with salt and pepper. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes until the shrimp begin to turn pink. Add the 2 cloves of minced garlic to the pan. Now add the 2 tablespoons of spicy harissa paste. Stir and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until the shrimp are fully cooked and beautifully coated in the spicy sauce. Don't overcook the shrimp. They are finished once they are firm and opaque. The couscous should now have fully absorbed the boiling water. Fluff the couscous with a fork to separate the grains. Drizzle over the remaining tablespoon of olive oil for added moisture and flavor, and adjust salt to taste. Spoon the warm, seasoned couscous into your serving bowls. Top the couscous generously with the spicy harissa shrimp. This dish delivers bold flavor with minimal effort. Thanks for watching and subscribing.